everyone, welcome to the phenomenal session and the session which you all are waiting for, right? And I will try to make as shorter as I can, as shorter the video as much as possible. That's the reason I have come the direct important topics for which you people will be giving a lots of importance to this, and from here the question direct cut copy paste question you will be getting in the tomorrow's exam in the first semester ICC class 10-1, right? And not only that, but also people everything the way I have said you all in important question in the class 10 mathematics, and the question has direct come in your examination in the same way you have to do it, and in the same way also I assure I am completely, I am confident to myself that this type of question will be coming, and this question will be coming in the examination one. If you have not watched my 40 out of 40 how to secure 40 out of 40, do watch it down, and definitely people all can keep coming to the chapter number 1, force. In the force, what you need to read, very important, the force you need to understand, you need to read, that is a moment of couple. Moment of couple is also known as a torque. Moment of couple examples, then after you have to go to the SI unit, then after formula and definition is very important. The question may come in this way, what do you understand with the moment of couple? The 4 option would be there, and you have to choose the correct one. And the important, the CGS unit, SGS unit, CGS unit, Newton meter, arj, okay, joule, that all you have to memorize, and I hope you know everything. If yes, if you don't know, just have a recap regarding it. And clockwise and anti-clockwise movement, anti-clockwise movement, when it is negative, when it is positive, and in case of numericals 2 mark ka chamak sakta hai. I personally think that it will be coming the 2 marks, right? Then after coming to the numericals of clockwise, anti-clockwise problems and movement, right? Principal movement, formulas, principal movement, definition, very important. Coming to the equilibrium, these are the important things I am talking about. Coming to the equilibrium, what do you mean by equilibrium? That is not going to come static equilibrium, dynamic equilibrium. What is static equilibrium? The body which is commences to be at rest. Dynamic, state in a motion, right? Examples of a static equilibrium, example of dynamic equilibrium, very important short question. It is a PYQ question, and definitely I hope this type of question generally comes in the exam. Exercise 1 question, very important question. I am having the book near me. The one exercise question, that is a spanner has a long handle Y, a jack screw is provided with a long arm, explained why. Be with the copy and pen and do write it down, and it is there in the exercise A13A. Very important things which you need to remember, which you need to understand why. Couple definition, you have to understand couple example. Suppose 4 example will be there. In the couples, वहाँ पे लिखा होगा which one is not a couple, which one of the example is not a couple, that also you have to understand. What is a couple? एक force में couple नहीं होता, 2 force. When there is having applied of a 2 force is known as couple, right? For example, lock and key, then turning the tap, many more are there. You can go and find the Constance Selina. Remember, Constance Selina is the Bible. Don't go anywhere, only Constance Selina, no resources, nothing else, only Constance Selina, right? Work, power and energy. In the case of work, power and energy, very important thing again. In case of work, power and energy, W equals to F into S, force into distance, you know very well. But when it is a cos theta, क्वेश्चन ऐसे चमकेगा, ऐसे चमकता है हर एक साल. एक नंबर सेक्शन है, ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर, यू कैन आस्क इट. cos theta equals to positive. When the cos theta equals to 0, that is a 1, work done is positive. When the cos theta equals to 180 degree, negative 1, then the work done is negative. When the cos theta is 90 degree, which is a 0, that is known as work done is 0. This is the very important logic which you will be getting in the MCQs, as I personally hope that. 2.4, 2.5, 2.6 is very important. 2.4, 2.5, 2.6 in case of work it is given. Like 2.4 work, what is given? Megajoule, work type of work, joule, megajoule, gigajoule, right, kilojoule. These are the things are you need to understand. CGS unit, it's a very important. Do not give, I want to say, do not scroll this topic. It's a very important topic you need to understand, because from here 2 to 3 marks question chamkega, guarantee. Write it down in a copy, right? The way I'm having confidence that my question will be coming in the same way, you have to bring the spirit within you that whatever the sir said the topic, we have to revise, and if you have not learned, we have to learn and go to the examination hall. Because if you will do this, I personally assure, I cannot say you have do this much 40 out of 40. No, you can you can make yourself confident that yes, you can keep 40 out of 40, definitely, for sure. 2.5 power, which power? Then after 2.5, this is known as power, gigajoule, megajoule, that all, sorry, smaller unit, kilowatt, megawatt, and the smaller unit milliwatt, microwatt also you need to do. 2.6 also very important after power. Then 2.6 is also energy. Energy क्या होता है? 1 horsepower equals to dash. 1 HP इक्वल टू डैश, बताओ क्या होता है, 764 और 7646. What is, you have to understand and you have to convert into kilowatt and you have to write it down and you have to mention in the comment also. 2.7, 2.8 is very 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 important. You have everything is there, like you know what 1 kilowatt hour, what is very important, energy, little bit I forgotten if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I have got it, energy, unit of energy, kilowatt, watt hour, everything is there in the page number. If you are following page number 23, 24, 25, you just go through it. Milliwatt, microwatt, kilowatt, everything is given, everything. 1 EV, electron volt equals to dash joule. Direct question you will be getting. 1 calorie, 1 calorie क्या होता है, 1 calorie का value, everything is, heat is measured in case of calorie, everything you have to go ahead. I cannot scroll anything because everything that sure short question you will be getting from the 2 to 3 marks. That is all about MCQ. Coming to the chapter exercise 1, and all the conscience exercise is very important, as I said in my earlier part, right? 2.13 conversion of energy, which you can see right here, right? Conversion of energy is very very important, and my people do this much. 1 mark will be in your pocket. From here 1 mark question you will be getting directly. If you won't get this all, then you will say me, sir, we did not get, because the way I am having confidence, 1 mark guarantee, sure copy and paste you will be getting from here. 1 mark pakka. That means you start reading right now. Post the video and start reading right now, because you don't have much time. Tomorrow only you are having exam, right? So conversion of energy is very important. Maximum students, even they used to do wrong, that this type of question has come, and I used to give that loudspeaker changes this dash energy to dash energy. Write it down in a comment and just make it, just comment, write it. You know what, loudspeaker changes dash energy to dash energy, very important. This type of question will be coming, and that for definitely for 1 mark. Then after, what more left? Conversion of energy, and after coming to the numerical problems. This numerical problems, example, exercise you will be getting is 2, 2 is to 3, 3 is to 2, 4 is to 5, 5 is to 4. This type of question you have to do it, because this type of question 2 mark का चमकेगा, 2 marks, only 2 marks. I cannot say more than that, only 2 marks question. 4 mark question क्या होगा हम बताएंगे. Then after coming to the double is a half, mass is doubled, mass is half. That also very important. Kinetic energy you have to put the formula, half mv square. Potential energy will be given, kinetic energy will be given, K equals to P, half mv square equals to mgh. मिला दोगे रेशियो का निकलेगा. Did you understand? In the same way, mass is doubled, very important. 2.1 is Bobs of pendulum. Bobs of pendulum, something is very interesting question. That is also direct question. Bobs of pendulum, and if I am not wrong, before a specimen paper I have launched a video. Specimen paper आने वाला था, I have given a video, I have launched a video. There, whatever I have said, everything was a copy and paste in the specimen paper of physics. And if you have not watched the physics specimen paper solving, if you want, the link has been given in the description box, you can watch it, right? Coming to the simple machine, mechanical advantage, velocity ratio. Mechanical advantage, what is the mechanical advantage? Mechanical advantage less than 1, mechanical advantage greater than 1, mechanical advantage is equals to 1. When you have to put force multiplier, gain in speed, cup force multiplier, gain in speed, when it is less than 1, greater than 1, you have to go ahead, and ma equals to load by effort or effort by load. You have to comment right there and you have to send it to me. Coming to the velocity ratio, the same. When it is vr is less than 1, vr is more than 1, vr is equals to 1, force multiplier for, and gain in speed, that also you have to do. And vr equals to load by effort by load. You have to comment right there. Remember, इसका अगर formula तुम याद रख ले, इसका formula vice versa. And remember, mechanical advantage, velocity ratio, efficiency, they have no unit, no SI unit they have. Remember this. Efficiency is calculated in case of percentage आ सकता है, okay, as it is come in the specimen if I am not wrong. And what are the formula of efficiency is very important. Ideal machine, actual machine, ideal machine, actual machine, one example you have to learn it. Coming to the combination of pulley, I also don't know why the ICSE favorite question combination of pulley is this one. This one is the combination of pulley, that combination of pulley, ICSE favorite question. I hope you have clear, and fixed pulley, several pulley, I hope you have cleared about this. If not, do read it out, maximum time you are having. Coming to the refraction, in refraction I cannot say anything important, because everything you have to read in refraction. Yes, I'm sorry for that, because everything you have to read in case of refraction, because everything is important. Important means what I mean to say that complete all the exercise question. You don't have much time, only complete all the exercise questions, that is enough. And remember, CA and TIR से question चमकने वाला, maybe 4 or maybe 2, maybe 4 or maybe 2. TIR total internal refraction as well as critical angle से question चमकने वाला है, maybe 4 or maybe 2, that I don't know. Coming to the lens, pakka lens, everything you people can do it. Lens in case of I hope lens diagram figure, if you have not watched, its video is coming after an hour, right? All right, lens, what is the lens? In case of lens, definitely 4 marker question you will be getting. Numericals type ka you can get, numerical as well as figure, the ray diagram question you may get. And coming to the lens numericals, when it is having MA equals to 1, that is having short tricks. MA equals to 1, same size. MA is greater than 1, enlarge, magnified. MA is smaller than 1, MA is less than 1, that is all about known as diminished. That the tricks and tips you have to understand, and for more details I will be coming in the next session, right after an hour. Power of lens, maximum students are don't understand. Power of lens has been deleted. Yes, my dear student, power of lens has been deleted, but it has been mentioned there. The power of lens definition formulas you have to do, and छोटा numerical बन सकता है, definitely इससे बनेगा, because specimen से आया है to 1 or 2 mark, definitely you will be getting from the power of lens. Power of lens, how you will be getting? If the cunning ICC teacher, definitely they are very cunning, and they will be people will making this test. Suppose 25 centimeter will be there, so 1 upon f is the power of adapter, that is power of lens 1 upon f. It is all about we have to do in a meter. अगर centimeter का तो क्या होगा? Vice versa, reciprocal. This you have to understand very well. If it suppose 5 meters there, that means 1 by 5. If 25 centimeter will be there, 25 by 100. That is all about. That is the very important. That is the logic. Why it is plus, why it is minus. Suppose 0.5 d is known as dash lens, concave lens or convex lens. Minus 0.5 d is known as concave lens and convex lens. Very important. You have to go through it. Very, very hot questions. I can say hot questions. And for more details, you can go through all the exercise questions and everything. Don't do this exercise question, you do everything will be clear to you. Coming next to the spectrum, prism is very important. You people can do it. Prism, I remember question generally it is a favorite question also. Incident ray always remain parallel to the emergent ray. How emergent ray, incident ray is parallel, this type of question will be coming, and question will be coming in this way, that suppose right, suppose rarer to the denser, if the rarer to the denser is coming, why it is bending, and it should bend towards normal, it should go to away from normal. This type of question you will be getting. And which one is the appropriate figure? Appropriate figure क्या होगा? ऐसे कुछ दिया गया, appropriate figure you have to identify. And in case of prism also, this type of question will be given to you, my beautiful students. In case of prism also, this type of question is given. I mean to say that suppose this, right? You have to find the appropriate formula, so the appropriate figure you have to find it out. Reflection, incident ray went away, emergent ray is parallel. In this way you have to do it. In this way you have to understand it, and it is all about d, angle of deviation, these all things. I hope you have pretty clear about this. If not, do have a recap of that. Coming to the spectrum, I don't know what will be coming here. This much I know, very important. You people will be getting 5-6 is completely mandatory. You have to do after the 6A. Ultraviolet rays, infrared rays, ultraviolet rays. Who has who has invented ultraviolet rays? Ultraviolet ray होता क्या? Ultraviolet, who has created ultraviolet ray? That is Rickett, some Professor J. Rickett 1800 में, if I am not wrong. Infrared William Herschel in 1801, something like that. And ultraviolet rays uses, ultraviolet ray properties, where it is used, where it is not used, properties, everything you have to go ahead in case of ultraviolet rays. In the case of infrared also, uses, uses, properties, and what are the not uses, harmful, everything is there in the consign, my beautiful children. 2 marks. I repeat, 2 marks. Pakka, guaranteed 2 marks you will be getting from here. Guaranteed 2 marks you will be getting from here. And the most, yes, again I have forgotten the main thing, that violet the most, red the least. Visible light. In case of visible light, what you have find? In case of visible light, we find violet deviates the most, red deviates the least. But whenever we used to do experiment, it become vice versa, right? This is the very important as well. Hot question, 1 mark definitely in your pocket. 1 mark is in your pocket, my dear most children. Violet, why violet bend the most? In case of visible light, see, visible light, violet bends the most, and red the least. This is the very important you have to do. And in case of experiment, it is having a vice versa. Coming to the sound, I don't know about the sound, what will be coming. One thing will be coming, numericals, pakka. Numericals will be getting from the echoes. What is the echoes numerical? D equals to 50 by 2. Echoes numerical we will be getting, which is the direct, short question from the echoes, and definitely people can do it, rock it out. Sonar, what is the full form of sonar? That also may come, if little bit easier. Sonar, full form of sonar, uses of sonar, you have to do it. And in case of sound, I cannot hear anything. and I cannot hear anything, and which is having a sound of 20 hertz, below 20 hertz, that is known as infrared radiation, right? And I cannot, if there is having lots of sound more than 20,000 hertz, that is known as which kind of sound? Very very important. These are the questions, one mark questions. And let me have a look what more left I have left in case of sound. I don't think I have left anything. Everything I have said, and this complete this whole thing, definitely you people gonna rock it. You people gonna rock it. I do have a lots of faith on you people. And just wait here. All right, yeah, I got it. In infrasonic, ultrasonic. What do you mean by infrasonic, ultrasonic? When it is having 20 hertz less than sound, 20,000 hertz less than sound is known as infrasonic. 20,000 से ज़्यादा अगर सुनाई नहीं देता, that is not ultrasonic. These are type of questions will be coming. Echoes, definitely one question you will be getting. Numericals, do not ignore echoes. Numericals, no ignorance, echoes, numerical. These are the things you people will play vital role. I hope the session is really interesting, and please, my dear most student, do this much before sleeping, because it may give whatever I have said. You will be remembering me. Every people remember in my offline classes. No doubt, everyone generally remembers after my mathematics. Sir, you are the I don't want to say myself the great. People said me. So anyway, so these are the questions is very important. I hope this session is really helpful to you. If yes, please share with one friend. Because see, many friends of yours that doesn't understand, they are going reading randomly, and there are having many toppers also that don't understand, they are going randomly and they lose marks. There are having many kind of students in every class, that those who are reading 24 hours, after 24 hours they are reading 15 hours, but they cannot come first in class. But when the students are there, those who apply tips and tricks, those who apply smart tricks, they come first in class. So I hope this session is really helpful, and please share those to them, those who are not getting any kind of benefits from anywhere. So thank you very much. Coming strong in the next session. Till then, keep cherishing yourself and go and punch this all the important points, and definitely this session is really helpful to you all. Thank you and God bless all.